Jai Hind students, welcome to online class of Shriram Public School. Myself Shweta Srivastava, your maths teacher. In the previous class, I was explained exercise 3C. Now today, we'll start new topic, multiplication of whole numbers. Multiplication of whole number. Let's start. Properties of multiplication of whole number. First property is the closure property. If a and b are whole numbers, then a into b is also a whole number. Suppose a is whole number, b is whole number, then a into b is also a whole number. For example, 9 is whole number, 8 is whole number, and 9 into 8, 72. 72 is also a whole number. Got it? Now move on the next property. Next property is the commutative property. Commutative property, if a and b are any two whole numbers, a and b are any two whole number, then a into b equals to b into a. A into b equals to b into a. Like 7 into 5. 7 into 5 is 35. 7 into 5. 7 into 5 is 35 and 5 into 7 is also 35. Clear? Now then a into b equals to b into a. Now move on, the next property is the multiplicative property of 0. For every whole number a, we have a into 0 equals to 0 into a equals to 0. It means when we multiply by 0, then the product is also 0. Clear? When we multiply a number in 0, otherwise 0 multiply in number, then the product is always 0. जब हम 0 किसी नंबर को 0 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, अदरवाइज 0 से किसी नंबर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, प्रोडक्ट हमारा ऑलवेज क्या होगा? 0 होगा. क्लियर? Now next property is the multiplicative property of 1. For any whole number, we have a into 1 equals to 1 into a equals to a. It means when we multiply by 1, product is itself. 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा, हमारा सेम वही नंबर आ जाएगा. लाइक 8 into 1, 8 into 1, अदरवाइज 1 into 8, वैल्यू इज ऑलवेज 8. 8 का हम 1 में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, अदरवाइज 1 का 8 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, वैल्यू हमारी क्या आएगी? हमेशा 8 आएगी. क्लियर? नो इफेक्ट, इट्स सेल्फ. नाउ मूव ऑन, द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज द एसोसिएटिव लॉ. If a, b and c are any whole number, then a into b into c equals to a into b, and in the bracket b into c, only bracket change. Then suppose 9, 7 and 10 are three whole numbers, then 9 into 7 in the bracket and into 10, 9 7 is 63, 63 into 10 is value is 630. Again we change the bracket, 9 into and 7 into 10 within bracket. Firstly we solve the bracket, 7 10 is 70, 70 into 9 is also 630. Both value is same, 630, 630. Then 9 into 7 into 10 equals to 9 into 7 into 10. Now next is the distributive law. Distributive law of multiplication over addition. Distributive law. Distributive law, it means in this law we distribute the terms. Multiplication over addition. A into b plus c equals to a into b plus a into c. We multiply in both terms. a का मल्टीप्लाई हम क्या करेंगे? बोथ टर्म्स में करेंगे. फर्स्टली a into b, and because within side is the addition, then we use the also a plus sign, like a into c, a into b plus a into c. Distribute the term को distribute कर देंगे. Like 16 into 9 plus 8 equals to 16 into 9 plus 16 into 8. 16 into 9 plus 16 into 8. Firstly we check this value, 16 into 9 plus 8, 9 and 8 17, 16 into 17 value is 272, and 16 into 9, 16 9 is 144, and 16 8 is 128. Sum is also 272, both values 272. Then 6 into 9 plus 8 equals to 16. 16 into 9 plus 8 equals to 16 into 9 plus 16 into 8. Clear? 16 into 9 plus 8 equals to 16 into 9 plus 16 into 8. Clear? Now next property is distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Same, only sign change. Here is the positive, here is the negative, like a into b minus c equals to a into b minus a into c. Clear? Now move on the exercise, student. That is the based on the property and is the multiplication of whole number. Exercise 3D. Question first, fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. Fill in the blanks. Blanks को fill करना और statement को true prove करना. Like 247 into 1, 246 into 1, 246 into 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 246 में 246 into 1 वैल्यू इज 246. क्लियर? 246 into 1 246. 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता है. क्लियर? नाउ मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट इज 593 into 188 equals to 188 is here. Here is the double number. 593 is missing, then we put the 593. 593 into 188 equals to 188 into 593. Clear? Now again 38 into 91 into 37. 38 and 37 is here. Which value is missing? 91 is missing, then we put the 91. Clear? Other parts also try to solve and is based on the property. Try it and fill it. Suppose यहाँ 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ क्या वैल्यू आ जाएगी? 0 आ जाएगी. Clear? Now move on the next question. State the property used in each of the following statements. State the property. प्रॉपर्टी का नेम राइट करना है. 19 into 17 equals to 17 into 19. 19 into 17 equals to 17 into 19. Which property? A into B equals to B into A is the commutative property. Which property is the commutative property of whole numbers? Clear? Next is 29 into 36 is the 29 into 36 into 18. 29 into 36 into 18, only bracket change is the associative property. Clear? Is 16 into 32. 16 into 32 is a whole number, is a closure property. Which property is this? Is the closure property. 16 into 32 is a whole number, is the closure property. Is the here only bracket change. 29 into 36 into 18. अब 18 सेपरेट हो गया. अगेन 29 को सेपरेट किया. 36 into 18 is the closure property. Clear? I will explain the property, only write the name of the property. Question third. Find the value of each of the following using the various property. Find the value. Like 647 into 13 plus 647 into 7. Clear? Find the value using the various property. Here we use the property का use करेंगे and question start करेंगे. Question number 6, third first part. Question number third first part. Let's start. Question number third first part. Six 647 into 13 plus 647 into 7. Clear? Now student, here is looking like a distribute property, but if any term is repeated then that term is the common. 647 is here, 647 is here also. 647 हमारा क्या हो रहा है? रिपीट हो रहा है. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? 647 को कॉमन ले लिए. कॉमन ले लिए तो यहाँ से क्या बचा? 13. अब यहाँ से कौन सा साइन है? प्लस है, तो प्लस पुटअप किया. अब 647 कॉमन हो गया तो यहाँ से क्या बचा हमारा? 7. देन 647 इंटू 20, 20 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 7 जा 14, कैरीज 1, 2 4 जा 8 and 1 9, 2 6 जा 12 and 1 0 also. Clear? I repeat again, 600, firstly we take the common, 647 is here, 647 is here also, then we take the common, 647 हमारा क्या हो गया, कॉमन हो गया. यहाँ से क्या बचा हमारा, हाउ मच लेफ्ट इज 13, 13 मिडल साइड प्लस साइन था, प्लस का यूज़ किया, यहाँ से क्या बचा हमारा 7, 7 पुटअप किया. अब 13 + 7 वैल्यू क्या हो गई हमारी 20 हो गई, 20 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 7 जा 14, वी राइट ओनली 4, carries 1, 2 4 जा 8 and 1 9, 2 6 जा 12 and 1 0. Clear? 12,940. Clear? Now one more question. Start second part. Clear? Start. Eight 8,759 into 94 plus again 8,759 into 6. I repeat again, 8,759 into 94, 8,759 into 6, 8,759 into 94, 8,759 into 6. Again we take the common, 8,759 क्या हो गया हमारा कॉमन हो गया. यहाँ से क्या बचा हमारा 94. Here we use the plus sign. How much left? 6. 8,759 into 100, 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 8,759,000. क्लियर? वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, लाख, 8,75,900. क्लियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टेक द कॉमन, कॉमन लिया, दैट टर्म इज रिपीटेड, दिस नंबर इज रिपीटेड, नंबर रिपीट था, रिपीट हो गया तो कॉमन ले लिया इसको. यहाँ से क्या बचा हमारा 94, वी राइट द 94, मिडिल साइड इज द प्लस साइन, वी ऑल्सो यूज द प्लस साइन. यहाँ से क्या नंबर बचा हमारा 6 बचा, 6 राइट किया. फर्स्टली वी सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट, 94 + 6 को ऐड किया, वैल्यू क्या आ गई हमारी 100, 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, देन दिस इज 8,75,900. Clear? Now move on the next question is question 4. Other parts also try to solve. Clear? Try to solve. Question 4. Determine each of the following product by suitable rearrangement. Only suitable rearrangement and determine. In question 3rd, other parts student, look here again, this number is common. Clear? Here this number is common. Clear? Take the common and solve. Question number 4. Determine each of the following products, each of the following by the suitable rearrangement. Rearrangement करना है, start करते हैं question 4. First part. Two into 1,658 into 50. 2 into 1,658 into 50. Check it again. 2 into 1,658 into 50. Clear? Now rearrange, it means firstly 2 into 50, because 2 into 50 is the 50 to the 100. They firstly arrange first and last. 2 into 50 into 1,658. 2 into 50 is 100 into 1,658. 1,658. Again 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1,658 and direct put the double zero. Clear? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 1,65,800. Clear? 1,65,800. Now move on the next question student. Again rearrange. Clear? Rearrange and after then multiply, like 25 into 4, 25 into 4 and after then multiply by 927. Clear? Rearrange. and after then multiply. Clear? Now student, complete question. Find each of the following protein using the distribute property. Question 5th, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट प्रॉपर्टी इस मीन्स 100 + 5, इसको 100 + 5 में ब्रेक कर देंगे. बट टुडे होमवर्क इज ओनली 1 to 4. ट्राई टू सॉल्व एंड कंप्लीट ईच पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन 1 to 4. When you have doubt, ask in evening class. Thanks and class is over.